So hey guys, haven't done this style of video in a while. It's actually exercise equipment, and I saw this device. I thought it was interesting, but it seemed kind of like not very legit. Like it probably wouldn't help. But watch some more videos, to watch some other reviews. There's some pretty good ones out there. I'm looking for something that can work the back of my legs, and I've tried to use bands, and bands are okay, but they snap. They're kind of hard to set up. Figured try it out. So it's monkey feet, and what it should be is some kind of rollerblading system. They're all in here, where you can do hamstring curls, donkey kicks, leg extensions, high knees. So if you have your own gym, a lot of that equipment you need to do those things is expensive, and even more important, it takes up a lot of space. So let's check this thing out. About one. It seemed like you should buy two, but I kind of read further and they said just do one to start with. Yeah, so it's kind of a hard plastic shell, and you should oh yeah, that's heavy. Yeah. It's on there. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm switching to bigger 20-pound weight. So it does focus muscle, but you got to get real precise with the movement. Oh yeah, very wobbly. What I'm going to try to do is a hanging leg raise now. Okay, oh yeah. It's a bit odd with just one. They're hard, but I do have more weight than I should have probably. Attempted leg raises. Oh man. Definitely putting pressure on my shin. I think it would be rough to go bigger weights, and I think if people have knee problems, you're at risk from the weight kind of flopping one way and pulling your knee. Normally you'd have a bar that would kind of balance out or hold in the alignment of the squeeze with your muscle. But this is just using gravity. You have to go slow, very controlled, or it could flop to one side and turn your knee a different way. It feels like it's more accurate than bands. Yikes. Okay, I did realize or remember that the laying down leg curls was not recommended in some of the videos I watched of the instruction manual. It does say do a standing leg hamstring curl, so I'll give that a shot. 5 pounds, 15-pound dumbbell, left side, standing hamstring curl. Okay, it feels much more comfortable than laying down. Do some high knees. Pop, pop, pop. leg extensions. I feel like I'm gonna bang my chair, so I'm not going all the way back. It feels okay, but it feels like I'm losing some kind of range of motion. I think that's, the angle is kind of off. Lay back more. There we go. Alright, donkey kicks, left side with the towel shoved in it. Drop down weight, 15 pounds. You really have to be careful walking around with these things on, because I keep hitting myself with the dumbbell. Alright. Let's do some more hamstring curls. Here's the simple instructions. You do have to put the dumbbell on with the claw. Put the dumbbell on, open up the straps, push the claw thing down, put the weight in, and then you put your foot in. It'd be nice after doing these exercises now if you could change the weight without taking off the boot. That would be ideal. So I'm 33 minutes into this from the unpackaging, and my early opinion, and this is not sponsored anyway, I paid all my money for this. I'd say it's a good, I don't know, I guess it's a good option to have if you have zero access to weight machines that can do this. But it's I didn't talk about the price yet. All in over $100 for this one thing. Kind of read some comments early on about this, but it's kind of like a $50 to $60 value for me. I think it was $89, but the time you added in shipping and the tax, it was like $110, $112. So ramped it up really fast on the price. It would be a no-brainer if it was $50 to $60, $100 for kind of a spot exercise. It's not a total gym. It's a specific exercise. So is it worth it? I guess if you have the funds, but I could see if you had your priorities on things you want to buy in your home gym, this is maybe not on the top 5 or top 10, but if you're established, you have a home gym, you got some of the main equipment, you're liking this one, that's probably worth it. I don't have space for a gigantic machine, obviously, so I guess I'll summarize it this way. Not as good as machines, obviously, way better than bands. Significantly better than bands. Definitely start with a little amount of weight.